If you have got to grips with your calculator, question 8 really should have been straightforward. Otherwise, you probably spent quite a long time trying to solve quite a difficult simultaneous equation. But let's just have a look at it together. So we've got a flight with business class passengers and economy class passengers. We're told that X is business class, Y is economy class, and we're told that there are 154 passengers on the flight and asked in part A to use this information to write down an equation in X and Y. Now, if we know that X is the number of business class passengers and Y is the number of economy class passengers, we know that that is equal to the total number of passengers, which we are told is 154. So that's going to be your first equation. In part B, we're asked to find a second equation, but we're given a bit more information. So we're told that the cost of a business class passenger was 320, and the cost of a ticket of for economy class was 85. And we're also told that the amount received for the sales of these tickets was 14,970. So we know that 14,970 euros must have come from selling X, which X is the number of tickets to business class passengers, who each paid 320 euros. So we know we sold X business class tickets at 320 euros, and similarly we also sold Y economy class passengers tickets at 85 euros. So we know that 320 times the number of business class passengers plus 85 multiplied by the number of economy class passengers will give us the total sales, which is equal to 14,970. Now you've got those two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. If you knew how to use your calculator, you were just going to go to apps and then poly simultaneous and type in the two simultaneous equations and solve them, which would straight away have given you a value of X for the number of business class passengers as 8 and Y the number of economy class passengers, which most of us are probably used to, is 146. If you didn't know how to use your calculator, that would have taken you a lot longer, if indeed you worked it out at all. In part D, we are told that the airline's finance officer wrote down the total amount mistakenly as 14,270 euros, and we're asked to find the percentage error. So remember, generally the formula for percentage error is going to be error over original, or the correct multiplied by 100. So here the error is going to be 14,970 minus 14,270. We're going to divide that by the correct amount, which we know was 14,970. And if you multiply that by 100, you end up with an answer of 4.68% error.